Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you this HENMI bicycle stand. Wee. This is a bicycle stand for 24 up to 29 inches bicycles, designed for pedelecs and mountain bikes. This bicycle stand with holes, 40mm holes, spacing, is compatible to nearly all frames out there, which is compatible to attach such a bicycle stand on the backside of your frame of your bicycle with M6 screws. It's a stable side stand. We have an enhanced durability because we got the Pro Plus bike stand. This has been upgraded to a one-piece structure with a higher durability and brake resistant. The folding position is wider and thicker, which makes the use more stable. The base area of the bike stand has been enlarged to further improve the slip resistance. This improvement makes the Pro Plus bike rack more durable and suitable for a long term of use. And widely usable. It's designed for pedelecs, electronic bikes, and mountain bikes. It's also suitable for leisure, commuter, and touring bikes. And a big bunch of compatibility, of course. It only fits for the bicycle chainstays with the holes. The hole spacing of the bicycle stand is 40mm M6 screws. The thickness of the mounting hole position is 10mm. And it's adjustable. The bicycle stand height adjustable from 33.5 centimeters, these are 13.1 inches, to 41 centimeters, these are 16.1 inches. The mounting screw for height adjustment is an M5. Bicycles stand suitable for 24, 26, 27.5 and 28 inches bicycles. And it's made out of sturdy aluminum alloy. The maximum load is 42 kilograms. This is either for balancing the bike on uneven areas, of course. This is cool. That's nice, okay? We can perform two methods to installation process. We install on the inside. To install the bicycle kickstand, place it inside the chainstay of our bike and fasten the screws from the outside. That's possible. The installation can be secured to either of the two holes located on the outside or inside, depending on the distance between our bike's nuts. Okay, so take care what you like to use. If there is a brake system installed, like here in my case on my bike, it's not the right choice to get this from the inside to the outside. It's the best thing to go from the outside to the inside. Job's done. Okay, method one. Or you install on the outside. If there are two thread holes on the back of our bicycle, we put the bracket outside and align it with the holes. We tighten the screws on both sides at the same time. We first tighten the small part on the screw, and then we tighten the small parts of the outer side and ensure that the screws on the both sides are tightened at the same frequency and fixed in place. We do not tighten one side of the screw at any time, which will cause unstable installation processes. After this, we can adjust the height of the kickstand. It is good for 10 degrees kickstand height adjustment. We adjust the tilt angle of the bicycle and the tighten screws. Recommendation is install it at 8 up to 10 degrees slope. Job's done, okay? And we adjust easy the height with the height screws, and then we are ready. When mounting a round chainstay, we do not mount a child seat on the bicycle. When we mount it on the round chainstay, we never sit on the bike when the stand is on the ground, and we do not store heavy loads over 35 kilograms on the luggage racks in a back location on the bicycle, of course. We never ever check the bolts if they are not tightened. So we have to check the bolts, and maybe they are tightened after a couple of rounds for shopping or something. So take care and have a look the bolts gradually to tighten them and retighten it that it is necessary, of course. And then you can have a lot of fun with this kickstand. And this kickstand is the model HMF-B01. It is a Pro Plus. That's the new upgraded, the new best Pro Plus by HENMI. Then hi HENMI stand our world here and makes a good job because it is a good kickstand to tighten this with balls, because this is more stable than if you lock this without balls. There is a clamp stand on the market too. Of course, that's good, but it's not so good because the best thing to mount this is, of course, use the screws, not the pressure. The screws are the key to tighten this on your frame of your bicycle. And you have to use 2 screws or 2 bolts or 2 bolts and nuts to assemble this onto your bicycle, onto your pedelec, onto your kickboard, onto whatever. Yeah, and then you can let it rest where you like. This is the HENMI bicycle stand for 24 up to 29 inches bicycles. Stand your world. Professional bicycle stand on the scene. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.